Last one.
PlayStation VR2 launches February 22nd for $549. Sony's next VR headset will be available early next year. It's a major upgrade from the previous model with an OLED screen and a 110-degree field of view. You got to have the OLED screen on these things. It's beautiful to look at.
Gotta.
$550, we talked about this before. We feel like it's maybe a little bit pricey because the console itself is like the same price. Mm-hmm. So it's a little bit...
And it's more than the Quest 2.
Well, sure.
So.
Yeah. I presume the specs are going to be better than the Quest 2, though, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Pre-orders for the PSVR 2 will begin on November 15th, limited to Sony PlayStation Online Store in many markets, including the US, UK, France, Germany. Games including Horizon Call of the Mountain will also be available to pre-order later this month. This headset is a major upgrade over the original with the OLED screen, 110-degree field of view, 4K HDR support. It also supports 120 hertz for smoother frame rates. 4 cameras built into the front of the display, so you won't have to set up external cameras to follow your movements. And the Verge was initially impressed with their hands-on. Now, obviously, you're going to have a cable, but it is a single cable setup, so it's not too obtrusive. Maybe with the advantages, the controller, the display, and so forth, maybe you could put up with it over a wireless Quest? One single wire? What do you think, Will?
Definitely. But also it has lens adjustment dials.
Uh-oh.
So that's
is that what gets you going right there?
Yeah. So you don't have to get a prescription lens.
Hey, listen, we all have our things that get us going, don't we?
Yeah, oh yeah.
And for you, it's when you see lens adjustment dial.
That's for you, it's Pantones.
For me, it might be a Pantone or two. Or it might be regen braking on electric vehicles because I just ranted about it when I was driving that other one over there.
Got it.
PSVR games will not be compatible with PSVR 2. Keep that in mind. Sony has announced 11 new games for PSVR 2. Dark Pictures, Cities VR. Ooh, I like the sound of Cities VR. That might be something I get into. Crossfire, The Light Brigade, Cosmonious High, Hello Neighbor, Search and Rescue, Jurassic World, Pistol Whip, Zenith, After the Fall, and Tentacular. All right, Will, which one are you going to play just based on those names?
I'll go for Jurassic Park.
You're going Jurassic.
I like the dinosaurs.
You're going Jurassic in VR. That might be immersive. That could be an interesting experience. You might have made a good pick.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll have to wait and see. Pre-order right now, $550. You guys let me know in the comments if you think that's pricey or if you think it's worth it given the spec sheet, the fact that maybe you already have a PlayStation 5 sitting around anyway. It's quite possible. Thank you very much to everybody who joined us here today. Thank you to Will for putting it all together. Thank you for all the dogs that were here today.
Oh, there were many.
It was a maximum dog output today.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dog. It was a 5-dog situation. It was a dog-to-human ratio that was a little bit teetering on chaotic. Teetering on the brink of extinction. And I'm not sure which one of us would be extinct out of the two species.
Yeah.
Dog or man.
Yeah.
That's the way it felt at a moment. We have survived, and so have they. The other species I'm talking about, the dog. In fact, the dog's never looked better. Look how chill he is.
Yeah, he's all right.
Yeah, he's holding it down. Yeah, thanks again, and we'll see you guys soon. Later.